Today I'm going to show you how to make your own intro with the help of app. First go to a Play Store or App Store and download Legend app. Open that. Tap. Okay. First like this quad will become. Erase that and type your channel name. Done. Click the play button and take anything you want. Your font. I selected the font. Select the intro. Download. Save as GIF also. Okay, it's gonna download and it's done. Gallery. Legend, yes, see here. Yes, it's done. And go download KineMaster too. Hello. And see, it's done here. See, I done one like this one too. See. No, I think it has deleted. Yes, it's deleted. So I will make you how to make your own. So go to media, go to legend, take your intro, extend it, click tick mark, and here we go. And pause it here. Click cancel and take layer text and type youtube.com/c/ your channel name. So my channel name is Apple Vlogs. There you go, and it's click OK. Keep it down, and it's perfectly done. See. Yes, it's the correct one. So thank you for watching today's video, and I will show you next video how to make your own thumbnail in the next Sunday. Bye.